Hi, I'm James, PM Shift Supervisor here at Wolfram Manufacturing. Tell you a little bit about how we use OnTakt in day-to-day operations and how it's made my life easier both as an operator and supervising the other operators. So I'll start you off here on our tools screen. Every tools screen has these color-coded bars, so I'm able to tell, even without stopping to take a close-up look at the screen, which tools are coming up for expected tool changes. Additionally, any individual tool, I'm able to pull up right on the machine a list of historical tool changes so that I can look for trends in part life, and any early tool changes, I can tell whether that was because we were doing them preemptively for our lights out machining or whether something went wrong and we had a failure with that tool. I'll have details about that. In addition, this has made life easier, being able to have an OnTakt instance on every machine. We used to have one centralized computer for all of our machines. So as I was planning out tool changes, for example, on roughers and part off inserts, if I were in the process of changing and I forgot whether or not I had one corner available, I'd have to stop what I was doing, walk across the shop to check in on the main computer. Now at each machine, I know that my rougher on this machine has all four corners used. That's going to need to be changed 16 parts or about 3 hours from now. In addition to the tools, if I'm here working on a particular machine and I've been a while tied to that machine, I can pull up my machine screen and that'll tell me the status of every other machine in the shop. I can tell by these color-coded charts which machines are running, which machines are held by my operators, and which machines are stopped based on a machine alarm. Something else that is very useful about this, I get the overview, but I can pull up any individual machine, and on each machine, I'm able to identify scrapped parts. I can scrap them out myself, or I can open a scrapped part and see why it has been scrapped. That's an issue with the touch screen itself and not with OnTakt. So here I scrapped a part because of a short pin. That is a problem that has been repeating on that particular machine, but I'm able to see that as of today, within 74 parts, I've only lost one. So that's pretty good performance for that particular machine today. And then even as much as this helps me on the floor while I'm at a machine, another benefit that I have with OnTakt is that it is integrated within our Slack. So even if I'm not in the shop, if I'm in my office, if I'm in a meeting with the owner, I'm still able to get live updates tied to the machine so that when a machine stops, I know immediately it stopped because it ran out of material, and then I can send an operator to go address that, or I can go address it myself. But I don't need to stop what I'm doing to walk across the shop to see why I have a red hand on. I can see right here in OnTakt or in Slack exactly what needs to be addressed to get that machine back in the green.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, James.
Thank you.